Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2011 Range Rover Sport. The color is black metallic with black leather interior. This is the HSE Luxury Edition, so it's got some additional features, including a real soft leather interior and a refrigerated console for keeping things cold. Body's in great shape. It's not dinged or scratched. Very nice gloss on the paint. We had the wheels totally reconditioned, so they're like brand new. It's got nice Continental tires on it. Nice black wood trim, power moonroof, really nice soft leather seats. Naturally, it has a navigation, Bluetooth, backup camera, automatic climate control, Harman Kardon premium sound system, rear climate control, has LED rear lights and Xenon headlights. Also has, you can open the tailgate as one unit, or the window alone will open up for easy loading. Has backup sensors as well as the backup camera. Drives excellent. There's the Xenon headlights. Beautiful SUV, fully detailed. Thank you for your time, and give us a call and we'll tell you more about this vehicle.